Now, in Cambridge A level in 2020, this was recently added. How do we differentiate tan inverse? And the formula is d by dx of tan inverse x is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square. You need to remember this formula and you need to learn how do we apply this formula. Okay, try to apply this formula on this one. If I want to differentiate tan inverse 2x, what will my answer be? To apply this formula, I need to assume it to be x. And the formula is 1 by 1 plus x square. In place of x, I have 2x. So here I need to put 2x whole square. In place of x other than x, you have 2x. So whenever something else other than x you have, at the end you need to multiply with its derivative. So that is d by dx of 2x. Always a rule. If it is x, you don't need to multiply with anything. But other than x, if you have anything else, at the end you should multiply by that derivative. So now what will the change be? 1 plus 2x square applied to 2 square is 4, x square will remain. And d by dx of 2x, 2 will come out, dx by dx gets cancelled. This is my answer. Okay. Let us see sums on applying this formula. If I want to differentiate d by dx of tan inverse x, I assume it to be x. I apply the formula 1 by 1 plus x square. In place of x, I have 3x into, in place of x, whatever I have, I need to multiply by that derivative to the answer, right? So this becomes 3x whole square is 9x square into d by dx of 3x. 3 will come out, dx gets cancelled. This is the answer. Next, if I want to differentiate root x, so I am changing root x first in x power half. Okay. Now this entire thing is x. So it is of the form tan inverse x. Answer is 1 by 1 plus x power half whole square into, in place of x you have something, so at the end multiply by that derivative, d by dx of x power half. So that will become 1 by 1 plus, here square and this 2 will get cancelled, left out with only x. X power half derivative is n into x power half minus 1. Minus 1 by 2 I will get. I don't need to simplify now, we'll simplify while doing sums. As of now, understand how is this formula applied. Now the next one. If I want to differentiate tan inverse 2x, in place of x I have this, so differentiation of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square. So 2x whole square into d by dx of, in place of x whatever you have, 2x. So 1 by 1 plus 4x square into d by dx of 2x is 2. So this is the answer. Okay. Same way, d by dx of tan inverse 5x. In place of x I have this, I apply the formula 1 by 1 plus 5x whole square into d by dx of 5x. So that is nothing but 1 by 1 plus 25x square into d by dx of 5x is 5. Okay. Next one. Let us look at this example now. Tan inverse x square. Again I assume it to be x. Formula is 1 by 1 plus x square. So x square whole square into d by dx of, in place of x whatever you had. Okay. So this is 1 by 1 plus x square whole square is x power 4 into d by dx of x square is 2x. Okay. Next one. This entire x by 3 will be considered as x. So apply the formula 1 by 1 plus x by 3 whole square into d by dx of, in place of x, whatever you have. Okay. So this will become 1 by 1 plus x square by 3 square is 9 into d by dx of x by 3. 1 by 3 will come outside, d by dx of x is 1. We don't need to simplify, we are just learning how do we apply this formula. Okay. Next. If I want to differentiate this one, same thing, this entire bracket you need to assume it to be x. So now tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square. In place of x, whatever you have, write it. In place of x, whatever you had, multiply by that derivative. So d by dx of x by x minus 2. So here this will become, apply the square to each of it. So x square by x minus 2 whole square into, here remember I need to go with u by v rule because it's a fraction here. So what u by v rule tells, if I differentiate the numerator, dx by dx will be 1, and next if I differentiate x minus 2, I get then also 1 by x minus 2 whole square. We don't need to simplify now, we'll simplify while doing sums. Is it clear? Here it's a fraction, so I have gone with u by v rule. Now look at this one. Tan inverse 2x by x plus 1. Again this entire thing you will assume it to be x. So tan inverse x, formula 1 by 1 plus 2x by x plus 1 whole square into d by dx of, in place of x, whatever you have, that is 2x by x plus 1. Okay. So that will result in, apply the square to numerator and also to the denominator into, I need to go with u by v rule here. So if I differentiate 2x, I get 2x and then x plus 1 as it is minus 2x as it is. If I differentiate x plus 1, I get 1 by x plus 1 whole square. This I got by using u by v rule. Is it clear? This video is all about tan inverse formula and how it's applied.